Hello students, myself Gyanaranjan sir. Today I am going to discuss chapter 1 exercise for class 5 G Science. Veins are the thickest blood vessels. Arteries are the thickest blood vessels. Veins are the thinnest blood vessels. Capillaries are the thinnest blood vessels. What do veins do? They carry carbon dioxide rich blood from different body parts to the heart. Which blood vessels form a network of organs? Capillaries forms a network in the organs. Write T for true and F for false. Our heart, which acts as a pump, pushes blood around in our body, which is true. The pulmonary vein carries deoxygenated blood from our lungs to our heart. That is false. It carries oxygenated blood from our lungs to our heart. Arteries have thicker walls than veins, which is correct. Our heart lies in the abdominal cavity. That is false. Eating junk food every day does not affect our heart. That is false. Eating junk food every day affect our heart. Now we will match the column. Artery carry oxygen rich blood. Heart pumps blood in the body. Ventricles, lower chamber of the heart. Capillaries form a network in the organs. Pulmonary artery carries carbon dioxide rich blood. Next, number 4. Answer in brief. List the different parts of the circulatory systems. The answer is the different parts of the circulatory system are blood vessels, heart and blood. B. Where is the heart located in the human body? The heart is present slightly to the left of the middle of chest cavity. What are atria and ventricles? The upper two chambers of heart are called atria and lower two chambers are called ventricles. Next, D. What are the main role of blood in the human body? Blood transports oxygen from the lungs to all other organs and carbon dioxide from the organs to the lungs is the correct answer. Next, E. What is the difference between oxygenated and deoxygenated blood? Oxygenated blood rich in oxygens, but deoxygenated blood rich in carbon dioxide. This is the difference. Next, number 5A. Answer the following questions. List two functions of each part of the human circulatory system. We know already the human circulatory system consists of three parts: blood vessels, heart and blood. So first, blood vessels. Blood vessels that carry oxygenated blood called arteries. Blood vessels that carry blood from different part of the body back to the heart is called veins. Next, function of heart. It pumps blood to all parts of our body. It keeps the blood flowing continuously in the blood vessels. Next, function of blood. Blood transport oxygens from the lungs to all other organs, and it transport the nutrients absorbed by the digestive system to different part of the body. So you have to remember. Next, 5 number B. Write the difference between the different kind of blood vessels. This is the difference. Different kind of blood vessels are arteries, veins, capillaries. Artery carry oxygenated blood. It is the thickest blood vessels in the body. Veins, it carry deoxygenated blood. It have thin walls. Capillaries, it form a network of organs, and it is the thinnest blood vessel in the body. What is unique about the pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein? Pulmonary artery carry carbon dioxide rich blood, whereas pulmonary vein carry oxygen rich blood. Next, what do you understand by heartbeat? So the page number 4. Page number 4. The lubdub sound we hear is our heart beating every time it pumps and receives blood. The rhythmic movement of the heart while pumping blood is called heartbeat. You have to write. Okay. Write some ways to keep the heart healthy and strong. You write at least 3 points. That is page number 6. Page number 6. Page number 6. Keeping the heart healthy. You have to write any 3 points or 4 points. Adopt an active lifestyle. Regularly exercise it for at least 30 minutes. Avoid using motor vehicles. Avoid eating too much sugar, oil and white flour. Okay. This is the question answer for chapter 1 exercise. Next class we start chapter 2.